Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start inside Chrome's settings, open the menu, 3 dots, then Settings. Once there, go to Privacy and Security and choose Cookies and Other Site Data. You're doing this so sites can keep you logged in and remember preferences. Make sure to pick an initial policy, allow all cookies or block third-party cookies, based on privacy needs. This first step enables cookie handling, which is necessary for the next actions that control site-specific exceptions and data cleanup. Once done with general settings, go deeper by clicking See All Site Data and Permissions. You'll use the search box to find a specific domain, then select View Cookies and Site Data to inspect stored items. You can remove individual cookies, clear all data for that site, or set a persistent allow or block. This helps when a single site misbehaves. You keep global rules while tailoring behavior per domain, which fixes login issues without changing overall privacy. Finish by clearing cookies when needed. Open Clear Browsing Data, choose Cookies and Other Site Data, and pick a time range like last 24 hours or all time. After clearing, test the site in incognito to verify cookie-dependent features. This isolates extensions and cached data. If problems persist, reset site permissions for that domain or update Chrome to the latest version. This resolves most issues. If not, check extensions or restart your device before repeating the steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.